maybe you want one like this. To make it from Romania, everything it's pieces, and you can make it in Israel very easy. It's very easy to carry also this table, and it's also very light. It's only wood, not PAL, not MDF. So let's test right now small dice, big. Let's focus, 6-5, small, 2-1, long, make it long,
Big? Or
big. And now again long. Maybe you are outside, let's see. Big. And now let's make it small. 2-1. So the material is very good integration. You cannot see where it's charging. We put the button exactly like one big button. So you will see here when you come.